Hello, St. Louis Bourbon Society, and today, Bottled and Bond Face-Off. Welcome back to Mike's Place, courtesy of St. Louis Bourbon Society, and I am doing a little blind taste of some favorite Bottled and Bond bourbons. Now, real quick, not to insult anyone, you probably are well aware, but in case you aren't, Bottled and Bond just means a bourbon that has aged at least 4 years or more, bottled at exactly 100 proof, no more, no less. It is distilled at the same distillation season by the same master distiller and stored in a bonded warehouse. It's the mark of quality, and that's why I like, and maybe you do too, like bottled whiskeys, because you know you're going to get at least a good bottle of whiskey. Maybe not the greatest, but good. And I have some hitters over here. All three of these are favorites. On the cheap end, J.W. Dant Bottled and Bond, 100 proof, of course. 13, 14, 15 bucks. It's a steal. Mid-tier, we have Early Times Bottled and Bond, and this one is the old Brown-Forman version before Sazerac bought them out. I think it was Sazerac, am I right? And then we have Heaven Hill Bottled and Bond, that's 7-year. And this one is the higher tier. I don't say top tier, but it's higher tier. About 40, 50 bucks for this one. So, 13, 14 bucks. 28 for the Early Times, 45 for the Heaven Hill. This one's kind of hard to find at times. This one's across the river, you can find it. And this one is right here. You can go down to Mike Grillo's Butcher Shop in Lake St. Louis and get this for 15 bucks. Total Wine has it. I'm sorry, scratch that. The Wine and Cheese Place has this for sure, and I think about the same price. So I like this one, but the thing is, comparing these head to head is where it gets kind of hairy, because is this 7-year, $30 better than this one over here, the Dant? I don't know. And where will this one fall in place? So here I have my case. I have been mixing these up for a while to make sure I don't know which one's which. They're labeled on the bottom. I don't know which one is which. Otherwise, what's the point? It's a great way to test your palate, is to do a blind tasting, is to mark the bottom of the glass. Maybe have a friend or a spouse do it. And then, I have in the past asked my wife to pull some bottles off the shelf, pour me a couple tastes or pour a taste. Don't tell me what it is. And I have to kind of figure out and explore the nose, palate, and finish and see if A, I like it, and B, can I figure out what it is. It's fun, and I'm wrong more than right. That's okay. Again, this is my palate, not yours. You might not like any of these bottles, or maybe you have a favorite. I'm not gonna lie. I spent more on this bottle than I wanted to. I kind of want it to be better than the one that's easy to get and cheap, but I don't know. Here we go. Let's call it glass A, B, and C. When I finish tasting through one way, I'll go back the other way, and then I'll kind of rank them 1, 2, and 3, favorite, second favorite, and least favorite of the three. So here's glass A. Wow. Glass A has some classic caramel notes. You can smell the proof. It's got some heat on it a little bit. It's nice. Has a nice body to it. That's a good pour. I kind of think maybe it's this one. I don't know, but if it is, great pour. Like it a lot. Glass B. Let's see what's going on here. This one is, wow. Has oranges on it, like those candy oranges with the sugar coating on them, those little orange slices. There's the vanilla. Little sweetness. It has a little bit of a greenness to it. A little bit younger than I think this one. I think that might be Dant, glass B right there. And the last one. Nice flavors. Again, there's classic bourbon flavors you'd expect. It's good. Sweet, a little oily, a little viscous. This is nice. So I think B is my least favorite. That would be a third place. Don't know what it is. And it's between A and C. I'll go back and taste these, I think, this way. Nothing wrong with that glass. It's a solid pour of whiskey. And then A. Wow. I want to say glass C is 1, glass A is 2nd place, and glass B is 3rd place. So we have, in order, 1, 2, 3. What did I pick? I need the glasses for this one. Can't see without them up close. So first place is the Dant is first place. $15 beats $45. Beats about 28 for the really first. Second place is Heaven Hill. Boom. So third place is, of course, Early Times. Now, boys and girls, what have we learned from Uncle Mike today? We've learned, or I've learned, that Jillibean is a steal. If you see it, you grab it. And the Heaven Hill is still quite good. After this tasting, I don't know if it's worth hunting. I mean, clearly, if you really want this bottle, you're gonna find it, and you're gonna pay for it. And it's good. It's very good. I really enjoy it. In fact, I refer to it as my Eagle Rare killer. I like it better than Eagle Rare side by side. Although maybe that's going to be a future blind taste. I say that, but if I pour Heaven Hill 7 and Eagle Rare side by side, is that honestly how I feel blind? Now my taste could change. Tomorrow I might pick the Heaven Hill blind over the Dant. Because your taste buds change day to day. It depends on what you ate today, yesterday, or how you're feeling. If you have a cold or whatever, things can affect your palate. But still, pretty cool that Mr. Dant pulled out the big win. Also a Heaven Hill product, these two are. So, there you go. Guys, have a great day. Have a great week. Stay safe, and I'll see you very, very soon.